Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use Voicemod on Discord. Right? If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, open up your favorite browser and just type down Voicemod. After once done, go ahead and click on Voicemod's link right here at the top. Okay? Click on it and just click on download for free. Now, wait for it to load as a download page will pop up shortly. If not, you will need to log in. Okay? So go ahead and log in with your email, and then once done, just go ahead and wait it out. Okay, as you can see here, a download page will pop up. Just go ahead and save it, wait for the process to finish, and then once that's done, open up the installer. Click on yes. Now you can go ahead and close the browser if you want to. Click on yes right here or okay. Now here we have the installer. So I'll just click on next. I accept right here, next, next, next. Next, install. Okay, wait for it. It won't take that much time as it's a small application. All right. Then once that's done, just click on finish right here. It will automatically launch Voicemod. As you can see here, we now have the app. Just click on get started. When you click on get started, a browser will pop up as it will verify your account. Okay, click on allow, open Voicemod, and just wait for this to pop up right here. There you go. Close the browser if you want to. Click on next. Now select your microphone or your preferred microphone. Okay. And then once that's done, select your headphones right here. So if it's muted, go ahead and add in some audio. Click on next and start using Voicemod. There you go. And then once that's done, as you can see here, we have these presets. You can use a banana right here or magic chords. Also, when you go ahead and go to the left panel, you have here sounds. For example, there's a scared option right here. Okay, if you want to use it, you just click on it and then add in a keybind. Let's say Control+1. There you go. Now you'll be using this audio for the specific audio clip. So when you go ahead and press Control+1, it will play, and then you can speak while it plays. All right. You can also use soundboards right here, like a honk, magic chords, a fart. As you can see here, we have this default toggle. You could add in whatever you want right here. If you do have a custom sound, just click on add. All right. And finally, go ahead over to settings right here. Make sure that everything is selected properly. And then once done, go ahead over to your sound right here. Make sure that the microphone selected. Okay, click on more volume settings. Make sure that the microphone selected is your Voicemod microphone. All right. And then once that's done, close this one, go ahead over to Discord and make sure that you use the same exact microphone. Click on settings. Now scroll down a bit, click on voice and video and make sure that your microphone is set to Voicemod. And then after that, you can go ahead and test it out right here, mic test. And then play some audio. All right, and that is it. That is how you use Voicemod on Discord. You can go ahead and try it on a call right here. Make sure that the key bind, okay, doesn't match some key binds right here under your Discord app. Make sure that your key binds right here is unique so that it works. But that's just basically it. That is how you use Voicemod on Discord. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.